guys, welcome back to our channel. Today it's just me, and today I have a concert called Peace Proms. And the first step, I'm just going to show you how I'm going to get ready, and I'm going to curl my hair using these non-heat hair curlers. This is the first time trying them. So I'm going to take this blue hook that I just put together. Then there's two sides here. You can put it into any side. Put the hook in. Voila! My mom's just sectioned my hair. Now she's going to put the blue hook through my hair and pull it through. Voila! So half of my hair is done and I look absolutely crazy at the moment. All done now, and I'm going to leave them in for an hour, maybe 1.5 hours or 2, and then I'm going to take them out. I'm going to take the bus to the Helix now, and I'm actually not allowed to film on the bus. And since my parents didn't get tickets, Rachel and the rest of my family is going to be watching the concert live on Zoom instead of being there actually. So I'm actually really excited to get there. So see you after. I'm going to get on the bus now and we'll go, and Rachel's going to watch us on Zoom. So see you there. It's so loud.
Springtime, and it's just a testament to how much these guys work, because they don't all come into our rehearsal space being able to do that. It takes an enormous amount of focus and self-discipline and practice and things like that. And also the fact that we have such a brilliant teacher team that can enable us to make music of that quality and that sort of level of entertainment. So can we just have a round of applause to all the teachers that we have? The song that I'm sure you're going to recognize, it's a song that these guys have loved singing in rehearsal, and it's simply called Proud. Let's take to our feet.
finished, and Michelle is going to come out really soon, and I am so excited, and we watched it on Zoom and it was amazing, so I'm so excited. Michelle's going to be coming out of that door, that door. Another 15 minutes because we just got in some information that they're running over time. Yeah, it's Michelle, I see. Right there. I feel like that's Michelle. I think I see Michelle.
I just came out of the Helix and it was so fun. Like everybody was singing and dancing, and there was like this orchestra, and it was like playing amazingly. I loved it and it was so fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.